me introduce myself. My name is Talita Rahmasabila with student ID 44250489. Majoring in communication, studied with a focus on public relations. Class code 441A25. Respected lecturer and fellow student, on this occasion, I would like to express my opinion regarding smoking on campus. In my opinion, smoking on campus would not be allowed. Campus is a place to gain knowledge, not a place to spread cigarette smoke. Cigarette smoke is not only harmful to the smoker himself, but also to those around him who involved it. Furthermore, smoking on campus can damage the campus image as a healthy and disciplined education environment. We as students will be role models in maintaining a clean and healthy environment. I am not against someone's right to smoke, but I would be done in a designated area so as not to disturb others. This is why everyone can respect each other. Let's work together to make our campus a smoke-free zone, so that the learning environment is more comfortable and healthy for everyone. Thank you for your attention. Is the simple present tense. The simple present tense is one of the most basic and essential tenses in English. Think of it as the foundation of communication. We ask it to describe things that are generally true, happen regularly, or are part of a fixed schedule. It's the tense of facts, habits, and routines. Key aspects of the simple present tense: 1. Habit and routines, action that you perform regularly or habitually. 2. General truth and facts, statements that are universally true, like scientific facts. 3. Scheduled event, future events that are on the fixed timetable or schedule. 4. Instruction and direction, giving commanded or step-by-step instruction. How to form simple present sentences. Positive, the basic form of the verb at and mean as for she, he, and it. Formula: subject plus verb 1. Explain: they play soccer. Explain to: she plays soccer. Negative: as, do not, or don't, or does not, or doesn't before the verb. Formula: subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. Explain 1. They don't play soccer. Explain 2. She doesn't play soccer. Interrogative: start the sentences with do or does. Formula: do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus tanya. Explain 1. Do they play sources? Explain 2. Does she play sources? 1. Habit and routines. We ask the simple present to talk about repeat action or daily routine. There are things that happen over and over again. Explain tenses. I drink coffee every morning. He goes to the gym on weekdays. They always eat dinner at 7 p.m. Used to general truth and facts. This tense is used for facts, scientific laws, and statements that are considered universally true. Explain sentences. The earth revolves around the sun. Water boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. Cats are mammals. 3. Scheduled event and timetables. Even though it's a present tense, we can use it to talk about future events that are part of a fixed schedule, like transportation or classes. Explain sentences. The train arrives at 3:30 p.m. Our flight leaves in 2 hours. The concert starts tomorrow. Usage 4. Instruction and direction. When giving step-by-step instruction or direction, the simple present is clear and direct. Example sentences. First, you mix the flour and sugar. To get to the library, you turn left at the corner. You open the file by double-clicking the icon. Present versus simple continuous. It's important not to confuse two tenses. Simple present for habits, facts, and routines. General truth. Explain. I play the guitar. Present continuous for action happening right now. Temporary action. Explain. I'm playing the guitar. Common mistake to avoid. 1. Forgetting the mean as. Remember to add mean as or mean as to the verb for he, she, and it. Incorrect. He play. Correct. He plays. 2. Incorrect negative or questions. Always ask do or does for negative and question. Incorrect. She not like coffee. Short. She doesn't like coffee. 3. Asking for no action. Don't as simple present for action happening right now. In short, in I read a book now. Short, I am reading a book now. Summary of simple present tense. Here are the most important things to remember. Use for habits, routines, and repeated action. Use for general truths, facts, and scientific laws. Use for visit, schedules, and timetables. Use for giving instruction or direction. Remember the verb forms at means s for she, he, it, and use do or does for question and negatives. Conclusion. Congratulations, you've taken a big step in mastering the simple present tense. Like any skill, practice is key. Keep using it in your daily conversation and treating, and it will soon become second nature.